Hello. So, this company, Keysfan.com, wanted me to show you their website. Some deals they've got. This summer sale is still going on. Yes, it's December, but they still have the same discounts up to 62% off their prices. They've actually updated their site, new icons here. I really like their design here, so this is kind of neat. As you see, these are the Office products. They even have now Office 2024, which is surprising, so that's good. I think last time we looked at this, it was 2021 was the latest. So yeah, really everyone that needs to update to Windows 11, do a fresh install on a board that's not licensed yet. This is a great way to license your operating system. So these are how you would get your keys. Windows 10 they still have here. A lot of people aren't going to be using Windows 10 unless you pay for the additional year of support. Because of security, but so they do have Windows 11 available up there. Yeah, even Windows Server stuff, 2025 standard editions, all kinds of stuff. So even other software, but these here discounts do not apply to these other softwares. This is only Office products. And actually, let's see, these here show the coupon code for each kind of software, each segment here. So when you put these in your cart to apply the discount to your cart, you got to do it at checkout. Enter this coupon code. So just remember to do that at checkout. So yeah, this is a good, legit site, trusted site. It's not some scam thing where, you pay and you never get your codes or product keys and stuff. So this is real. You can trust this source. So check them out if you are needing any software licensing for your Microsoft, Windows, or Office products, especially because those are the ones on sale right now. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I can always reach out to the company if you do have any questions or concerns about it. And like this video if you did like it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching today.